Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Rita. Today we are going to be doing a H&M and Zara haul. I do have everything right here. I am still in Mexico while you're watching this video, and I've been doing some shopping while down here. And honestly, I love going to Zara because the store is basically empty. There's just a few, couple of people there. And it's just so open and bigger. Maybe it's not as big as the one in Houston at the Galleria, but it just feels bigger because there's not a lot of people and it's not as packed with clothing. So I really enjoy going to Zara while I'm here. Before we get into the video, I would really appreciate it if you hit the little red button down here to subscribe to my channel. All you need to do is hit the button. That way you'll be notified every time I post. It is completely free and it does help my channel a lot. So now let's move on into the clothing that I bought. Let's just start with what I'm wearing. I did purchase this from H&M. It's just one of those basic tops, very affordable. I wanted to get a couple more of these sleeveless tops so I could pair with blazers and jackets now that the weather is starting to change. Not really here in Tampico, but back over in Houston, so this would be perfect for layering. I did notice that I don't have a lot of these tops. I own more like t-shirts and long sleeves, but not a lot of them like this. So I really like the shade, or like the color. It's just like this kind of like taupey shade, so I think it's perfect to pair with basically anything in my wardrobe. And whenever it's hot, like right now here, I can just wear it by itself and I really like how it looks. Another top I got was this just basic t-shirt in this kind of like more pale pink. I really like it because it's not tight in any way. I got mine in small and it's just very kind of like boxy, so it's very wide in the middle. And it's just so comfortable. The sleeves are very comfortable. It's 100% cotton, so I really do love it to the point that I want to go back and get a couple more. And this is also from H&M. I'm gonna show first everything that I got from H&M and then we'll move on to Zara. But yeah, this is just basic. I feel like this is going to be my favorite t-shirt and I absolutely love the shade. And I love that it's just like a basic crew neck and the sleeves are long and very loose fitted, which it's just what I've been loving lately. For the last top that I got from H&M was this very comfortable long sleeve, very loose linen. I think this is linen with, yeah, it's a linen blend with cotton. I originally got this to go to the beach when I just got here because I don't really like to get sunburned. So I got it like as a cover up, but I really like it. It's very comfortable, it's very breathable. So it's also like a good in-between season. So like fall or whenever it's like still spring. I do love it and I feel like I'm gonna use it a lot during, this month or this, fall season and then spring and summer. It's just like a basic white button up and it does have two big pockets on the front. It's very comfortable and it's very oversized. So I got mine in the size extra small, but the whole point of this shirt, like the vibe, is to be very oversized, so I do really like that. I can also envision wearing this kind of like a very like a small top, kind of like shorter top, crop top, there we go, and then wearing this in the top to give a more relaxed kind of look. So this definitely great find was this navy blue dress, which if you didn't know it, navy in clothes are my favorite, is my favorite color. I feel like it's a good in between a black, which is perfect, and I feel like everyone looks good in black, but it's not a black shade. So I really love it. I really enjoy wearing navy blue clothes. So this is a beautiful, very simple dress. It's just gonna be plain, and it does have right here in like kind of like the waist area this little cute design. I don't really know how to call this fabric, but there's like an actual name for it. And then the same pattern, it's down here, so both like here and here on the very end of the dress. I will of course show you a clip here of me wearing it, but it is beautiful. I actually saw this dress back in December when I was here. I'm not even joking. And I just didn't really, I saw it, but I was like, I don't really need it. I'll just like leave it, it's fine. So originally, this was 500 pesos, which is like $25, I guess. I paid 130 pesos for it. it was like on super sale. So 130, it's basically nothing even for here. And I got mine in the size extra small, and I think that this is super cute, kind of like more formally or like more put together dress. So I think that this is gonna be so cute with some cute high heels. I just love it, and it fits perfect, which is kind of like a very rare thing for me to find a dress that fits just perfect. With the same kind of vibe that I have lately, that it's kind of like more comfortable clothes, more looser tops. I wanted to get a more looser, not hoodie, but like just like a basic pullover. So I got this one in the size small. It's that kind of same powdery pink, very beautiful, kind of like my perfect kind of pink. I feel like it's like an in-between, same thing I like the navy. This is like a pretty pink, to not be too pink, not be too beige, just like the perfect neutral. I really love it. So it's just gonna be a basic pullover. It's very comfortable on the inside. It has that comfy material, so you can probably see right there. And it's just a crew neck, and it's very big, as you can tell. So the whole vibe is also like a very very loose fitted or like very wide sweater, which on my book it's gonna be perfect for like just, you know, my everyday, whenever I'm in the house, if I have to run some errands and I just want to throw something in to keep comfy and cozy. I feel like this is just perfect. I actually want to go back and get another shade. They did have maybe like 5 different shades, which is not a lot, but just like your basic neutrals. Now let's move on with the Zara pieces. I did get a more springy, very summery dress. I got this as soon as I got here. So this haul is 2 trips to the mall. So the first one was kind of like the more summery pieces, and then the second one I did pick up a couple more fall-y, winter. This one was from this last trip, by the way. So this is kind of like what I got the second time I went to the mall. This one is from the first. It's just this beautiful Zara dress. It's going to be a very pretty yellow. Honestly, I'm not a huge fan of yellow on me, but this one is a very light yellow that almost looks like a pastel yellow, which I just loved. And it has all these beautiful roses, pink roses, and then these other little cute yellow flowers. It's just a very me dress, if I'm being completely honest. And it's super cute. It's kind of fitted but not tight, which I never work tight, especially dresses. And then it does have a cute little design here on the side to kind of like show a little bit of skin, but not too much. So just those 2 little details right there, and then on the bottom. So they'll be like right here and then by your leg. And it's just adorable. I'll probably won't be able to use it anytime soon, but Houston gets pretty hot very easily. So I'm pretty excited about this one. This one was 749 pesos, so I don't know. I don't know how much. Second dress that I got from Zara, a very cozy, very fall, winter-like. I really loved it. I originally wanted to get this in the beige shade, but they didn't have it. And honestly, when I saw this shade, I think it actually looks better on me than the beige one that I was originally looking at. So this is just this beautiful, kind of like sweater material. It is so soft. It is like the softest material, and it's this very pretty lighter gray, and it does have those kind of like detail running all the way down and then on the side. So although it's very simple, it does, you know, that little square, I guess, like little cross across it, just gives it a very, you know, cute little detail. So it's not as simple. It is very cozy. It's also not tight, but it's fitted. So my kind of dresses, and I love that it has a little short sleeve, so I can just put maybe like a blazer or a little coat, and I feel like it's gonna look super cute for the fall and winter. And this one I got a size small, and this one was 549 pesos. So around $20-ish, I think, almost $25. So yeah, very affordable and very great. So for the last 2 items, these are coats. One of them is from Zara, and then one of them is from a Zara company that I don't even know how to pronounce this name, like Stradivarius, I don't even know how you pronounce it in English. I don't think we have this brand in the US. I think it's just like Mexico and like Spain, some places in Europe. But yeah, it's sort of like the same Zara company. So anyway, the very first one, I got this black, very long sweater-like coat. I bought this for a wedding that I'm gonna be attending in probably the next couple of weeks. Maybe by the time this video is out, I've already been at the wedding. So the wedding is gonna be freezing, so I needed something that looked a little formal, but also, honestly, I couldn't find that much. So here in my hometown, it's never cold. Like we get probably like 2 days of cold, and it's not as cold as where I'm going to. So I'm gonna go near Mexico City to this wedding, and my friend, the bride, is like, it's gonna be freezing cold. So I'm gonna just wear this on top of my dress. My dress is gonna be black with navy blue flowers on the bottom. So this might not be like ideal for a wedding, because I would have wanted something else, like a more formal coat, but honestly I couldn't find anything. This was the only thing I got, and I feel like it was okay because I'm gonna be able to wear this so much even after the wedding, compared to if I had bought a coat, like a more formal coat for a wedding. Like, when would I ever use that again? But this, on the other hand, I'm gonna use it a lot, and I love that it's long and it has this kind of like, I guess, lapels. I don't know how you call it, but it's just very seamless, and there's no buttons. So because there's no buttons, I feel like it gives a bit more of like a formalish look, even though it's not formal by any means. And this one I got in the size small, and this was 800 pesos, so around $40. And to finally finish up this haul, I've been wanting a trench coat for a very long time. In an ideal world, if I had a ton of money, I would of course get a Burberry, but I just don't have $3,000 to just, you know, drop on a trench coat. So I've been wanting to, you know, get another one. I've seen them at Coach, I've seen them from J. Crew Factory. So the cheapest one that I found was from J. Crew Factory, and it was like $90 plus taxes, so that would be like $100. So I just walked randomly into this store. I went with a friend and she wanted to go in, and I am so glad we went because I found the most beautiful trench coat and super affordable. This is going to be, I believe it was, let me see, it's gonna be here. Yeah, that was the same price as the black one, so 800 pesos, so around $40. So there was no way in hell that I was gonna find a trench coat for $40 in the US. So I am very happy that I found this, and I really like it. It's just like your basic trench coat. It's not super long, but you know, you can probably see here, and I'll show you a clip, of course, like everything else. But yeah, it's cute, and then, you know, it has the little thing in the back, and it cinches on the waist with this belt like. And I love that this one has not entirely I don't know how you call this, like the shoulder thing, shoulder pads, but it has a little bit of shoulder pad, just a little bit, to give just more form to the shoulders, and just, to me, make it a little bit cuter. So I'm very happy that I found this coat. They actually had two kinds in this store. This one that's a bit more fitted, and one that was a little bit more loose. I 100% preferred this one, and this one was also a little bit cheaper than the other one, which either one would have been still cheaper than finding any in the US. So this was probably my favorite find out of this haul. It was just something that I've been wanting for a very long time, and I got it exactly like I wanted it, in the perfect beigey shade. Anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like always, please go ahead and support me by giving it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. That's always very helpful for my channel. All you need to do is hit this little red button down here that says subscribe, and if you can also go ahead and hit the little bell so you're notified every time I post. I do upload 2 videos a week. Anyway, thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!